So, are you completely over that sluggish internet connection? And are you kind of worried about who might be snooping on your data? Well, you've come to the right place. In just the next few minutes, we're going to say goodbye to all that lag and all those security risks. How? By building our very own private, super fast connection. Let's do this. Yeah, does this feel a little too real? You know that feeling, that frustration when your connection is just crawling along, and you've got that little voice in the back of your head wondering, hey, is my stuff actually private? It's a super common problem. But the great news is there's a really straightforward fix. This slide basically nails the before and after picture, right? On the left, you've got the usual internet experience. Kind of slow, a little vulnerable, very public. But on the right, that's our goal. A connection that's lightning fast, totally secure, and reliably private. That's exactly where we're headed. And hey, this isn't just some far-off dream. By following the next couple of steps, you are literally going to have this exact setup running on your own devices. It's all about putting you back in the driver's seat of your own online experience. Okay, so here's our game plan. We've talked about the problem. Next up, we'll get into the solution, which involves something called V2Ray and an app called Dark Tunnel. Then we've got two simple, hands-on steps, getting a server and setting up the app. And after that, we get to enjoy the payoff. Let's jump right in. So, what's the secret sauce here? What's the magic that makes this whole transformation happen? Well, it all comes down to this really powerful team-up of two tools, a core technology called V2Ray and a really user-friendly app called Dark Tunnel VPN. First things first, let's talk V2Ray. Now, I know the name sounds a little technical, but the idea behind it is actually super simple. Think of V2Ray as the engine. It's what actually builds our private, secure highway right across the messy public internet. It's the powerful foundation for everything we're about to do. So, if V2Ray is the engine, then Dark Tunnel VPN, that's your dashboard and your steering wheel. It's the simple, easy-to-use app on your phone that lets you hop onto that private highway. It makes the whole thing feel completely effortless. All right, it is time for our first hands-on step. We need to set up your own little private outpost on the internet. This is going to be your V2Ray server. And trust me, it's way easier to get than you might think. So first, you're going to head over to SSHocean.com. Once you're on the site, find the navigation bar and click on Services. You'll see a list. Look for anything that says V2Ray. You might see a couple options like VMess. Don't worry about the names. Either one is going to work just fine for us. Then just pick a server in whatever country you want. Okay, stop for a second because this is a really important tip. Before you click anything else, just make sure that the server you picked says it's online and, this is key, that it has remaining accounts or some open slots. Taking 2 seconds to check this now is going to save you a big headache later. Once you've found a good server, go ahead and click Create. It's super simple from here. You just have to pick a unique username and do that little I'm not a robot check. You'll probably see an optional box for something called an SNI host. You can just ignore that for now. We'll touch on it in a sec. Then just hit that Create Now button. So about that optional SNI host field, here's a quick pro tip for you. While you don't have to fill it in, adding a specific hostname, which you can find on sites like ctel.co, can sometimes make your internet traffic look more like normal web browsing. What's that mean for you? It could give you a little performance boost. It's a small tweak for a potential speed bump. Okay, after you click Create, the website's going to spit out this big, long string of code. Now listen, this is basically the digital key to your new private server. The single most important thing you need to do on this page is find the copy button and get that entire block of text onto your clipboard. We're going to need it in just a second. Awesome, you did it. The hard part is officially over. We've got our server key. So now for the final, super easy step, let's bring this whole thing to life inside the Dark Tunnel VPN app. So pop open your Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel, and get it installed. Open up the app and look for a little configuration icon. Go ahead and tap that. A menu will pop up, choose Import, and then tap the clipboard option. Since you just copied all those server details, the app is smart enough to grab them automatically. Just hit OK to save it. And believe it or not, that's it. Seriously, you don't have to dig through any complicated settings or menus. That chunk of text you copied had everything the app needed to know. Your setup is 100% complete. The only thing left to do now is tap that big Connect button right in the middle of the screen. The app will work its magic, and in just a moment, boom, you'll be connected to your brand new, private, and seriously secure internet connection. All right, let's just pause for a second and really appreciate what you just did.
You didn't just install another app on your phone. You have fundamentally upgraded your entire connection to the digital world. That's pretty cool.
So what does this actually mean for you day to day? Well, it means faster browsing without all that annoying lag. It means your personal information is encrypted and safe from anyone trying to snoop. And it means you have a private connection you can count on, even on sketchy public Wi-Fi, anywhere on the planet. You know, this quote from our source material really just says it all perfectly. You've just built yourself a reliable, private, high-speed internet connection that you can actually trust no matter where you happen to be. So, we'll leave you with this one thought. You have just created your own personal, secure gateway to the entire internet. The only real question left is, what are you going to explore first? Enjoy that newfound freedom online, and thanks for hanging out with us for this explainer.